Let's understand about a very important concept in this probability called as multiplication theorem. Okay, so we are going to understand about multiplication theorem. Okay, so first let's try to understand what is multiplication theorem in probability. All right, let's say we have two events. Okay, say the two events are A and B. Now we are not looking at disjoint or independent, just there are two events. Okay, now formula wise, P of A given B is nothing but P of A intersection B divided by P of B, correct? This is a formula for conditional probability, which we all know. So, if P of A given B is this, then we can clearly say that P of A intersection B is nothing but P of B into P of A given B, correct? So, we have this as one equation. Now, one more equation we can do. That is, suppose let's say you have P of B given A. Okay. So if P of B given A, then we are going to have P of B intersection A divided by P of A, correct? Isn't it? So this you can write it as P of B intersection A is equal to P of A into P of B given A. Isn't it? But what we know is A intersection B, B intersection A. They are one and the same. So, P of A intersection B is the same as P of B intersection A, isn't it? So, when you take these two relations together, so what we can write is P of A intersection B. This will be nothing but P of B into P of A given B, which is also equal to P of A into P of B given A. So this result is what we call as the multiplication theorem in probability. Okay, so what exactly is this multiplication theorem? Let's try to understand that, as in practically what we are going to do. Suppose if I tell you that there are two events and one event happens because the other event is happening, it's a conditional probability, correct? Like A given B. If you take, let's say one event is tossing of a coin. Okay, and the other event is, let's say, if you get head when you toss a coin. In the sense, my question will be something like, you toss a coin. If you get a head, you're going to toss it again. Now, the second toss is happening because the first event has happened, correct? This is conditional probability. Now, if I ask you, what is the probability that the second event is happening because the first event has happened? So, we are looking at the intersection part. So that scenario is where we use the multiplication theorem. All right. And this is the result of multiplication theorem. That is P of A intersection B, P of B into P of A given B, or P of A into P of B given A. So this is going to give us the result. Fair enough. This is the answer for multiplication theorem. Now, what if we have three events A, B, and C? Then what are we going to do? That is what we are going to see in this one. That is, what if you have A intersection B intersection C? Then how are we going to do it with the multiplication theorem? Okay, let's look into that one. Events A, B, C. Then if you are trying to calculate P of A intersection B intersection C, this will be P of E into P of F given E into P of G given E intersection F. So this is the answer. More than the answer, it's more like the formula for A intersection B intersection C. Fair enough? So this is what we call as multiplication theorem in probability. All right. So let's look into other concepts in the next video.